Flood protection. The Danube. It shows its peaceful face now. It relaxes, carries boats. It's Hungary's largest river, but with its 2,860-kilometer length, it is the second longest in Europe as well. The catchment area until Budapest is 183,250 square kilometers, almost twice the size of Hungary. Its average discharge in Hungary is 2,400 cubic meters per second, but it can reach even 9,000 cubic meters per second at floods. The water level fluctuations can reach 6 meters. The level of 24-hour flood can be between 1 and 3 meters. Its highest level measured until now in Budapest during the spring 2006 floods is 8.6 meters. Budapest is protected against floods by the Budapest Sewage Works Limited. We have been fulfilling this task ever since 1946. We protect the city from the flooding of the river through primary flood protection dikes on the one hand and via temporary dikes on the other. However, we have to prevent water from reaching houses and low-lying manhole covers through the sewers. Therefore, in case of high Danube water levels, we close the sewer network through floodgates and collect the incoming wastewater by pumping. A further step of protection is the closing down of the openings through the protection dikes. We close these 142 gates, which are normally used for traffic, continuously depending on the water level. Our company works mainly with its own professionals, machinery, and the materials provided by the municipality along the embankments of Budapest and of the bigger streams on a total of 90 kilometers of protection works. At the beginning of 2006, the quantity of accumulated snow in the catchment area of the river exceeded by several times the average of previous years. As a result of the warm and rainy weather at the beginning of March, at first 2 smaller flood waves, then later a very significant flood wave appeared in the Danube at the beginning of April. The magnitude of the flood is well represented by the fact that it produced the highest level of iceless water ever measured in Budapest, 860 centimeters. Under the direction of our professionals, we were able to fight the flood just as successfully as in 2002. With the help of the emergency handling organizations of the capital, the subcontractors involved in the fight, and not least the volunteers, we were able to prevent water from overflowing the dikes. The fight was also successful against dangerous flood phenomena such as blowouts and leakages. The Great Icy Flood of the Danube in 1838 caused the biggest tragedy in the history of Budapest. The flood in 2006 caused only passing discomfort to inhabitants.